Morning, everyone. So yesterday afternoon, before 5, my mortgage broker called me. My mortgage broker works for the largest brokerage in Canada. My mortgage is up for renewal in July, but I'm paying it off early. So when I got my mortgage in 2017 for this house, my rate was just shy of 2%, which at the time was quite high. But I locked it in because I track money markets. Sorry, my phone is going nuts today. I'll make this really quick. He told me that mortgage rates are going up between 3 and 5%. He called me because he said, listen, if you get in early, we can probably lock in something a little cheaper, like at 3%. This is from the largest mortgage brokerage in Canada. So we could probably lock in at 3.25 for my next renewal. And I said, by the way, my credit, when I go to the bank, they call me sir and try to serve me coffee. My credit took many, many years to get there because I've been to prison. So it takes a while to get your credit good. But people are looking at 3.25% to start, most likely. And I said, my credit is fantastic. If you have any debt, start paying it off because it's going to get real pricey and it's going to crush a lot of people. And I hope for the best, but I'm prepared for the worst. Instead, I'm paying mine off in July. I don't owe a great deal of money on my mortgage, so I'm going to pay it off and be mortgage free. But your banks aren't going to tell you this till you go in for renewal. Luckily, my brokerage called me and said, listen, it's going to get real pricey for a lot of people. And most people, when they get a mortgage straight to their eyeballs. I was pre-approved for $500,000 before I bought this house, and I was not going to buy a $500,000 house in my area where I live. That's just madness. But many people do. But the interest rate goes up 1%, most people will lose their homes. As I said, my mortgage brokerage he was forecasting, and of course nothing is set in stone when it comes to this sort of stuff, but there's a lot of speculation, 3.25% to 5%. For people who are getting used to mortgages at 1%, 1.5%, 2%, buckle up, kids. It's going to be a rough ride. Welcome to the new Canada.